Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Vivo V29, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster, how to speed up your system, how to improve your phone performance. So firstly, you need to open the settings application and disable the power saving mode if you have enabled, because in power saving mode your device consuming less battery power and less processor performance, processor speed. And of course it is great if you wanna improve battery life, but if you want to improve system performance, you need to disable this feature, because we need 100 of speed performance, right? Cool. And then scroll down and find RAM and storage space. Here, as you can see, I have used only several percents of my internal storage, but if you will fill up your storage over the 70, not the 17, but 70%, your smartphone will start slowing down, and with each percent it will be slower and slower. I don't know why it works but it works, and device is slowing down after you filling up your storage over the 70%. Great. Then the next step is to open the RAM tab and enable the extended RAM feature. So as you can see, I have only 8 GB of physical RAM in my device, but using extended RAM feature we have 16 GB of RAM. Of course, 8 GB of RAM are virtual, so your system is using the part of normal storage to store temporary files in your normal storage, just because your normal storage is really fast. But of course it's not normal RAM, it's not too fast, and system will use these 8 GB of virtual RAM to store games, videos, and other data when you close it, for example, and to open it, it will store here in this virtual place. So it's a very good idea to enable this feature. And the last aspect that can slow down your device is the junk files. So in Android system, applications are leaving behind a lot of junk, trash files, and to clean it up you need to open the space cleanup in iManager application and wait a while until it will detect all trash files in your system, and click clean up all. Cool. Cleaned up 73 megabytes of junk trash files. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.